production, take two.
Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na.
Eto na! Eto na! Eto na!
The moment I've been waiting for. This is it. This is it, guys. Team once, twice, thrice, extra rice, french fries, only rice. Lahat na nagra-rhyme. So, without any further ado, let's unbox this box. Wait, recalibrate ko lang yung camera. Ayan na, wala nang ibang pep talk. Let's get straight right into the unboxing video. So habang in-unwrap ko to, papasalamat ako sa sponsor ng video. Joke lang, wala pa tayong sponsor. Wala pa tayong sponsor, maybe soon, sana. I'm dreaming. But, nagpapasalamat ako sa shop ng pinagbilhan ko nito, which is Hallyu Essentials from Shopee. Shout out. Thank you dahil nagpa-feature ka na kasama ka sa video unboxing ko or unboxing video, whatever. Anyways, packaging wise, very nice wrapping, magandang pagkakabalot, like very protective dahil maraming, what you call this, like maraming protective cover na lang. Nabuksan na natin yung outer layer. So ito na yung, I think, main box. Unbox ulit. While I'm unboxing this, you are wondering kung ano nga ba ito. So ang i-unbox natin ay Candy Bong. Yes, you heard it right. Candy Bong is the official light stick of Twice. I did my research. Siyempre, Candy Bong was first introduced on October 18, 2016. Yun ay nagsimula nung nag-post si JYP. If you don't know JYP, JY Park is the owner of JYP Entertainment. Siya yung nag-create ng Twice. Siya yung nag-assemble ng probably the greatest K-pop girl group ever assembled, in my own opinion. So yeah, itong version na to, I think it's the third version. Kasi based sa research ko, there was this Candy Bong version 1 and then the next is Candy Bong Z. At ito ay yung tinatawag natin na Candy Bong Infinity. Take a closer look. Ooh! Freebies! Siyempre, sinong di matutuwa sa freebies, right? Here. Check this out. So basically, battery powered siya. Galing ko na yung box. Ayan na yung box. Good packaging. I think this is the last unboxing. Last unwrapping ko in the box. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko habang unboxing ko? So, we could talk about more about Twice. So, I'm very grateful, very blessed kasi hindi ko nakalang mapapurchase ko to on time. Like, pinag-ipunan ko talaga to. And I was really thinking kung bibili ba talaga ako nito or not because sa concert nga, like sasayaw lang talaga ako sa beat, sasayaw ako sa music. Ang plan ko talaga is, ayun na. Kung napanood niyo yung previous video ko, di ba? Nag-interview ako sa anime convention and for the next video, mag-interview naman ako sa Twice concert. So yun lang talaga yung plan ko, like magkakonda ko ng interview habang manonood ng concert. But then, napag-isipan ko na dahil nakapag-ipon-ipon na rin ako and all. Syempre, i-flex ko na rin yung aking candy box. Ayun, malapit na. Almost. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Wow. ASMR muna. I think this is the last bubble wrap. So, ayan. Nakita ko na yung item natin. Finally, reveal na natin. Drum roll please. Drum roll. Reveal na natin. 3, 2, 1. Oh my. What? Okay, so first impression. Sa point of view ko dito, in real life, blurred yung picture ng Candy Bong, but clearly it says twice Candy Bong Infinity. Overall, nice outer package. Open ulit natin yung plastic. Ayan. Ito yung box. Nice presentation. Nagustuhan ko yung design. Minimalist lang. Like white overall. Tapos, kung makikita nyo dito, nandito rin yung like official color ng Twice, which is the neon, magenta, and apricot. Wow! Take a look at this. Ito na. Wow! Candy Bong Infinity. Tatanggalin ko muna yung main. Tatanggalin. Stop it. Ito yung Candy Bong. Set aside ko muna. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung naman ko ng box. Kaya nandito yung Infinity logo. Wow! May this lanyard. Oh no, it's not. Parang wrist handheld carry sa Candy Bong. Check ko pa kung ano naman. Oh, there's the manual. Who reads the manual anyway? Pero check natin kung may English meron. Sige. I think it's very straightforward naman to set this up. Kasi nga, nakita na natin yung battery. Ngayon, test na natin. Ang ganda! Wow! So, napansin ko lang para siyang may mirror. Ito hindi pa binubuksan. Yung front side niya. Para siyang mirror. At first. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. So, voila! Ito na yung Twice Candy Bong. Check natin bawat details. So, sa bottom part, kung makikita nyo, hindi kita kasi color black eh, pero naka-engraved. Naka-engraved yung, let me read it. JYP Entertainment. Made in China. Twice official light stick. 3. So, tama nga ako. The first version is Twice Candy Bong. Second version is Twice Candy Bong Z. Tapos ito yung latest. The version 3, Twice Candy Bong Infinity. Anyway, I was checking kung may postcard included. Nakita ko kasi like may postcard nakalagay sa description, pero I think wala eh. So, it's fine. At least we got the 3 batteries. Try ko ng... I don't wanna break it, pero nakikita ko naman sa ilalim na may open lid siya dito. Wow! Okay, so I think ito yung battery. Babasahin ko naman yung manual na yung masira. Babasahin ko na saglit. Be right back. Ayan, nalagay ko na yung battery. So I read the manual. Need nyo ng 3 AAA batteries. Tama lang rin ginawa ko. Ni-remove ko to. So remove ulit natin. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang battery. So as you can see, ito yung magpa-power up sa lightings. Now lightings. Balik natin. So let's power this up. Ang sabi sa manual, this is the power button. Hold that. Whoa!
Damn!
Nagulat ako. It's colorful. Wow. See this? Maliwanag kasi sa window ko, but speaking of maliwanag, kahit maliwanag sa window ko, ito yung nagsha-shine. Like, ito yung main attraction. Look how cool it is. Look at the logo, tapos yung lighting sa labas. Wait, what? Tapos yung infinite loop sa loob. So that's why it's called the Twice Infinity. Oh man, Twice Candy Bong Infinity. Kasi infinite loop yung logo. Look, whoa! See that angle? Up natin. What do you think about it? Infinite loop inside Candy Bong. Amazing. Para siyang intergalactic futuristic device. Ang advanced ng technology, no? Try pa natin i-configure kung ano pa yung nagagawa niya aside from being this very light and colorful. So, nasabi ko nga yung official colors niya, apricot, neon, and magenta. Nagko-combine sa coloring niya. Wow! May touchpad. So, may touchpad siya sa likod. Pag tinouch ko siya, nagva-vary yung brightness. Oh! That's dope! Try natin na madilim. Sasaran ko yung curtain. Ayan, di na ako kita, pero kita ang Twice Candy Bong Infinity! Let's go! Like I said, na-change yung brightness. May touch features siya sa back. Ito yung back, ito yung front. Yung front, yung may infinity loop. Like mirror. Or the magic mirror. Nakalagay dito sa manual is the magic mirror. Yung front niya is magic mirror. So, ito yung likod. Look. Ito yung brightness adjustment. See? Ginagalaw ko yung finger ko sa likod. Like, parang sinacirculate ko. So, as I'm adjusting the brightness, look. Whoa! Ang advanced! Ang advanced! Is this from the future? Siguro, kung gagawa pa sila ng Candy Bong, I think, lalagay na nila lahat ng tamang, parang needed features. Dahil nga, di ba nag-evolve ng technology nowadays. Parang, I think, this is gonna be the final version in my opinion. Pero, di rin natin masabi dahil nga, twice yan eh. Marami pa yung pasabog, marami pa yung ibibigay sa atin na magandang goodies. So, nung pinindot ko yung button, this is the A button. Yung B yung touchpad, so A button. Oh, nag-shutdown siya. Ang ganda. So, to shut this off, shut down. One press. Another press. Another press. Apat na press. So, ayan yung indication kapag nag-loop. So, turn it on. Long press. There we go. Tapos, yung likod. Adjust ko. Sheesh! Ang ganda. Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. This is super worth the price. Like, kung dadalhin ko to sa concert, ito yung magiging main attraction talaga. Titingin mga ones, titingin yung mga fans. Like, you got the Candy Bong Infinity. Let me see. Diba? Tapos, ayan nga, ito. Yung likod. Meron siyang touch sensors eh. Ang high-tech. My God. May color change. Whoa! This one is the, I think the light blue variation. Kasi, hindi ako magaling sa color, pero from me, I think it's light blue. Or cyan. But it really does change the color. Depending on your rotation. Tapos, kapag pinindot mo kasi, magko-color change. Ayan. Wala na masabi, ang speechless ko. Ang daming features. Ang ganda. Ayan, so na-try na natin lahat ng mga features. Ang dami, hindi ko pa na-explore lahat. Kasi marami siyang color change, maraming rotation speed. Depending sa timpla ng gusto mong output. Man, verdict na tayo. I think final thoughts. Ayan, Twice, Candy Bong Infinity. What would be my feedback? Wait, tasking curtain para kita rin ako. So, verdict. Anong final thoughts ko? First, as a product consumer, recommend ko ba itong bilhin? Iset aside natin yung pagiging fan as a product consumer. I think yes pa rin. Lalo na kung if you're going to be a fan of Twice, kung magsisimula ka pa lang na i-appreciate yung K-pop girl group na Twice. Like, yung culture nila, gusto mo malaman sila, like, individually, di ba once? So, syempre, recommend ko to. At recommend ko to i-flex sa concert. Kasi ang ganda eh. Tingnan mo. See? Sino hindi matutuwa dyan? Any person would want this. I'm being biased. Lalo na, speaking of bias, as a Twice fan, marirecommend ko ba to? Syempre, 100% worth the price, worth the quality. Tsaka yung quality niya, props sa quality. Ang sturdy niya hawakan. Wala siyang maluwang na anything. Like, wala kang maririnig na something unnecessary sounds na malalaman mo na hindi siya matibay, hindi quality, diba? Hindi 100% built. This is built differently. Like, enough talaga to ng mga experts. Anyways, recommend ko to. Ang ganda ng quality. Ang ganda ng overall product. Twice, Candy Bong Infinity. Lastly, last but not the least, paano ko i-end ang video? Kung nanonood ka sa channel ko, kung nakasubaybay ka sa channel ko, alam mo ng niche ko, alam mo ng ginagawa ko dito. We're going to play the guitar. So, ang ipa-play kong guitar, tribute ko dito, none other than the Candy Boy by Twice. Yun yung story Candy Boy, yun yung nag-introduce dito sa Candy Bong. Yung song na Candy Boy sa first album nila ng The Story Begins. So yun lang for the unboxing video. Ayan, showcase ko ulit yung box. Diba? Like I said, blurred. Pero ito yung parang the real deal, diba? The Holy Grail! This is the Holy Grail of Twice, Candy Bong. Yung latest version, Candy Bong Infinity. So yun lang, ita-transition ko na sa guitar playing ko. Let's go!
Bye, bye.